making a box for a cabinet I've been working on, and the top of the cabinet, which will fairly be high, had a recess to it. And I thought, because of what this is, that I would make a box that would utilize the space on top of the cabinet, and the owners of this cabinet could put mementos, pictures in that box, and I think it would work out well. I thought it was a good idea, and hopefully they'll really like it. It'll be a surprise, just something extra to it, and I think that's a nice thing to do.